Hi developers, in this video we will learn about map and set in JavaScript. So map and set are built-in objects that provide various ways to store collection of data. Okay, so coming to map, a map is a collection of key value pairs just like an object. But the difference is that map allows keys and values of any type. Okay, and we can iterate over the elements in map. And maps also have a size property that provides a number of key value pairs. And map provides various other methods such as set, get, has, delete and clear. Okay, so let's discuss map with example. Creating a new map. Okay, so let's create a new map. My map, new. So this is the method to create a new map. Now we will add two key value pairs in this map. Adding two key value pairs. Okay, so my map dot set, first one is name, say Kashish. So this is how we add key value pairs in map using set function. Okay, using set method we can create a map. So another one is, let's say, age, say 7, 8. Okay, so now we will access values. See values. So how to access values from map? Using get. Using get method we can access values. My map.get. So if we want to access the value of name, so my map.get, then we will enter name, that is key. Okay, similarly we can access age. Similarly we can access the size also using the size property. Size, my map.size. Okay, only this thing. Okay, and also if we want to check the size of the map, this is to check the size of map. Okay, let's check it in the terminal. So this one is Kashish. My map.get name. So it is giving output as Kashish. Okay. Here age is, it is giving us 8. Fine. And size of map is 2. Okay, because we have two key value pairs. So what we have done is we created a map named as my map and we added two key value pairs. One is name and other one is age, and the value of name is Kashish and age is 8. So dot get method is used to retrieve the value for name and age. Okay. Similarly, size is giving the total number of entries, which is 2. And suppose if we want to check like if that some key is present in map or not, let's check that. To check if a key exists. Okay, so what's the method for that? We have has method. Load has, we can enter age. Okay, so it will check age in this map if it is present or not. So if it is present, it will give true. Okay, so it is giving output as true because age is present in my map. Okay, so this is concept of map in JavaScript. Now we will jump to set. So set is a collection of unique values and we can iterate over the elements. Set have size property that provide the number of key value pairs, same as we discussed in map. And set provide various methods like add, has, delete, and clear. Okay, let's discuss it with some example. So firstly, we will create a new set. Creating a new set. Okay, so const my set to new set. This is how we created map. Similarly for set. Now adding values to set. Okay, so adding values to set has a different syntax. So this is how we add values. My set dot add 1. Okay, similarly we will add 2. Okay, if we again add 1 after the 2, if we again add 1, so it will not be added. It will not be added. Why? Because of duplicate value. Because of duplicate value. As we know, map can take only unique values because set can take only unique values because a set is a collection of unique values. Because of duplicate value, one will not get add. Okay. So now here, let's check the size. First, to check the size of set, we will do console my set dot size. Okay, it will give the size. Let's check it in the terminal. It's giving error. Okay, now check. Okay, size is 2 because we have 2 key value pairs. Okay, one is 1 and other one is 2. Now if we check if a value exists or not, to check if a value exists. Okay, so for that we have a has method. My set dot has. If you want to check 3 is present or not, so it will give false because 3 is not present here. Okay, so in this example we created a set called my set and we added 2 values 1 and 2. So now we are adding 1 again here. That will have no effect because set only store the unique values. And dot has, it is used to check if value exists in set or not, and size gives the size of total number of unique values, which is 2. Okay, similarly we can print my set also to check the key values present. Okay, so this is the output. So what we have learned is map is good for storing key value pairs with unique keys, and set is useful for holding a collection of unique values. So this is the concept of map and set in JavaScript. And guys, I will be sharing a link to a GitHub repository in the video description. So feel free to check it out and grab the code from there.